This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a city model. First, let's talk about planning. Begin by defining your model's purpose, whether it's for a school project or a personal display. Decide on a suitable scale, perhaps 1/200th or 1/500th, to ensure consistency. Gather essential reference materials like maps, photographs, and architectural blueprints. Finally, select your primary construction materials, such as foam board, cardstock, or balsa wood, based on your design and budget. Now, let's construct the foundation of your city model, the base. Start with a sturdy material like plywood or a thick foam board, ensuring it's perfectly level. Next, carefully transfer your city's street grid and major landmarks onto the space using a ruler and pencil. This step is crucial for accurate placement. If your city has varying terrain, create elevation changes by stacking layers of foam or cardboard, gradually building up hills and valleys to mimic the real landscape. With your base ready, it's time to bring your city to life by adding structures and intricate details. Begin fabricating buildings using materials like cardstock, plastic sheets, or balsa wood, paying close attention to architectural styles. Next, incorporate smaller elements such as miniature trees, tiny vehicles, and streetlights to enhance realism. Don't forget to use various paints and textures to simulate different surfaces, from asphalt roads to brick walls, making your model truly pop with authenticity. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to complete your impressive city model. Integrate landscaping elements like lush parks, miniature trees, and serene water features using materials such as flocking and resin. For an extra wow factor, consider adding small LED lights to illuminate buildings and streets, creating a vibrant nighttime scene. To preserve your hard work, apply a clear protective sealant or enclose your model in a custom-built display case, ensuring it remains pristine for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.